Most car owners have no idea that these hidden car tricks even exist, and some of them could literally save your life. But here's the twist. One of these tricks could also save you thousands of dollars in costly repairs. And yes, mechanics would rather keep this to themselves. So, don't go anywhere. From smart mirror adjustments to secret key fob backup features, these are 6 powerful car tricks that separate everyday drivers from true pros. Trust me, missing these could cost you more than you think. Let's jump right in with secret number 6, side mirror auto tilt mode. Your car has been quietly helping you parallel park this entire time, and you probably never noticed. Many vehicles with memory seats come with a hidden auto tilt feature that lowers the passenger side mirror when you shift into reverse. This gives you a crystal clear view of the curb and your rear wheel. Here's how it works. First, save your preferred seat position using the memory setting. Then, put the car in reverse and manually tilt the passenger mirror downward to the angle you like. That's it. Your car remembers this position and automatically tilts the mirror every time you reverse with that memory profile selected. No more guessing how close you are to the curb. No more scraping expensive rims on concrete. Your car has been protecting your wheels and your pride this whole time. You just didn't know the feature existed. Seriously, think about how many thousands in wheel repairs this could have prevented. But here's what they don't tell you. This feature is tied into the same memory system that saves your seat position, steering wheel height, and other personal settings. Once it's programmed, it works on its own. No extra buttons, no menus, no remembering anything. And if that surprised you, wait until you find out what your key fob has been hiding. Secret number 5, foil key fob protection. Car thieves aren't just checking for unlocked doors anymore, but here's the thing, they've gone high-tech. Modern criminals use relay attacks with special devices that capture and boost your key fob signal, even while your car is safely locked inside your garage. Now comes the aluminum foil moment that actually makes sense. Wrapping your key fob in foil can completely block those signals. The metal creates a Faraday cage effect, basically turning your key into a signal-proof vault. Thieves can sit outside your home with advanced gear all day and still get nothing, just dead air. You can also store your keys in places surrounded by metal, like a fridge or even a microwave. Anywhere with metal walls works. This isn't paranoia. It's a smart defense against criminals who've turned car theft into a wireless game. For just a few cents worth of foil, you can shut down equipment that costs thieves thousands. But here's the catch. Relay attacks usually involve 2 people. One stands near your house, amplifying your key fob signal. The other waits near your car with a second device to unlock it. When it works, they can steal a vehicle in under a minute without ever touching your real keys. Even worse, professional crews are now using this method to target high-end cars parked right in driveways, which makes foil protection more important than ever. And speaking of cheap solutions to expensive problems, let's take a look at something hiding in your makeup drawer. Secret number 4, nail polish emergency repairs. That small chip in your windshield doesn't automatically mean a $500 repair bill. Sometimes it just means a quick stop at the cosmetics aisle. But here's what most drivers miss. Clear nail polish contains nitrocellulose, the same foundational ingredient used in automotive clear coats. A thin layer applied over a windshield chip can stop it from spreading into a full-blown crack that forces a complete replacement. And when it comes to light paint scratches, a matching nail polish color can act as a temporary cover that buys you time before a professional repair. This isn't a clever hack, it's real chemistry working in your favor. A $5 bottle of polish can help prevent a $900 windshield replacement, and your mechanic never needs to know you outsmarted the system. But here's the irony. The auto industry spent decades perfecting clear coat technology, while the beauty industry had already solved a similar problem for fingernails. The trick is using restraint. Apply just enough polish to seal the damage without leaving a thick or obvious spot. For windshield chips, clean the area thoroughly, apply the polish in very thin layers, and let each layer dry completely before adding another. And if nail polish impressed you, wait until you see what vegetables can do. Secret number 3, the potato trick for windows. Foggy windows can turn your morning drive into a total guessing game. But here's the truth. You can forget those $15 anti-fog sprays. The real solution is already sitting in your kitchen for pocket change. Take a raw potato, cut it in half, and rub the cut side across the inside of your windows. Then buff it lightly with a microfiber cloth. The natural starch leaves behind an invisible hydrophilic layer that absorbs moisture before fog can even form. This isn't some old wives' tale, it's basic food science meeting automotive engineering. White potatoes work best because they contain more starch, and a single application can last for weeks, even with daily driving. But here's what they don't tell you. Russian fighter pilots reportedly used this exact trick during World War II because it outperformed anything else they had at the time. If it was reliable enough inside a fighter jet cockpit at 30,000 feet, it's more than capable of handling your commute to Starbucks. Just make sure you use the freshly cut side of the potato and apply firm, even pressure across the entire glass. And don't worry, your car won't smell like French fries. Once dry, the starch is completely odorless. Now let's shift gears from vegetables to something that'll make your steering wheel thank you. Secret number 2, the steering wheel hack. Ever get back into your car and instantly regret touching the steering wheel because it's been roasting in the sun? But here's the 5-second fix dealerships never tell you. Before you leave your car, rotate the steering wheel 180 degrees. By flipping it upside down, the part you actually grip stays shaded under the dashboard instead of sitting directly under the windshield. In summer heat, steering wheels can reach over 150 degrees, hot enough to cause real burns. This simple move keeps the contact areas cooler while the unused section absorbs the heat. And here's a bonus most people don't realize. It can also act as a basic theft deterrent. Those extra seconds a potential thief spends wondering why the wheel is upside down might be just enough to make them walk away and choose an easier target. This trick works best with traditional round steering wheels. Flat bottom or sport wheels don't flip quite as well, but they can still reduce some of the heat. Before we go any further, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. These hacks only get crazier from here. Secret number 1, mirror defrosters. Cold mornings still have you scraping frost off your side mirrors like it's the Stone Age. But here's the thing, your car has been quietly solving this problem the whole time. Most vehicles come with built-in heated side mirrors, and the control has been hiding in plain sight. Look at your mirror adjustment knob. Instead of selecting L or R, turn it all the way downward. That's it. Instantly, your mirrors begin heating up, clearing frost, fog, and rain in about 30 seconds. They run on the same system as your rear window defroster. Yet somehow, nearly 90% of drivers only discover this by accident. The heating elements are built directly into the mirror glass, meaning they work in all conditions. Rain, fog, frost, it doesn't matter. Your mirrors stay clear while everyone else is playing the risky game of, I hope that's not a motorcycle in my blind spot. But here's what they don't tell you. Those heating elements are ultra-thin wires embedded into the mirror during manufacturing. Similar to rear defrosters, but on a much smaller scale. They draw very little power and automatically shut off after a few minutes to prevent overheating. Some luxury cars even activate mirror heaters automatically when you turn on the rear defroster. Most others require manual activation through the mirror control switch. Did you already know any of these tricks? Or maybe you've got a few secret hacks of your own. Drop them in the comments, I'd love to see them. These tricks can save you time, stress, and even your wallet. But here's the kicker. There are hidden car features inside your own vehicle that could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. If you love saving money, click this video next. Trust me, you won't regret it.